Hi, I'm Andrea Beaulieu. Props, what an incredible way to augment and add to your presentation. One, they're visual, so you get a whole different way to engage your audience. Two, they're entertaining. They provide a lot of excitement and fun. And three, they're a great anchor for whatever point you're making. They make it concrete and real. So what do you imagine my audience thought when I put this on? I used it to make the point that even if you get a little bit of criticism, don't let that stop you. Keep going for your dream. Because I wore this to show how this was what I looked like when I was in my country western phase of singing, and I got kind of made fun for it, but I kept going. Now, your prop can be something else. These are some items I used. These boards. I actually split these boards at one point. Who knew? And I use it to make the point, you can break through your limitations, even in ways you never imagined were possible. So use props. They're such a wonderful way to bring more excitement and energy and concrete reality into your presentations. And remember, all the world's a stage and all the men and women players. And make sure that your play is authentically yours. See you next time.